This one is about running Python scripts on macOS and Linux. So as an IT admin, I want to add a Python script to Fleet so that I can run it on my macOS and Linux hosts. So the idea here is you can add a script in the same way you would with a shell script to control scripts, and you can run them in batch, you can attach them to policies, and so on. So we'll just go over here, and I'll show what that looks like. So if we go into controls, scripts, we can see that I have one all set up here. You can see it just prints out a friendly message. So we can come in here and see an example of a failing script run. We get an error message that's much the same as the other error messages we see for other failures. And then we can see a success state, and then we can see a policy run. Oops, not this one. So what I can do is go over to controls, scripts, and I'll just add another script here. And we can see here we have shell and Python support for macOS and Linux. So I'll choose my file, open it, add the script, then I'll go to policies, and I'll add a policy. And what I want to do here is just check to see that a certain file exists. And so I'll save that. Can use our nifty autofill tool. Okay. And I'll uncheck these, although this feature does work on Linux as well. All right, then I'll go to policies and manage automation scripts. I'll select the policy I just created, select my new script, save that out. And then I can go into hosts. And we should see that upcoming activity show up soon. I'll just show you the file doesn't exist on the desktop there. So we should expect to see the new file appear here once the policy has run. And in the meantime, what I can do is show you. All right, let's see, we can come in here and just take a look at these. So you can see the contents of this one and this one. So you can edit, delete all the things that you would expect to do as it is. And you would also be able to see batch progress here and so on. I can also select from here and run scripts. I can choose which script I want to run. I can run this one, run now, or schedule for later. Let's go in here and we can see we have the upcoming activity. And this might be the successful activity here. Oh, yep, there it is. This file was created by a Python policy automation. So that is running Python scripts on macOS and Linux. Really nice job.